All of you have means able to my desktop, right? No, no problem, right? Okay then. See, Eclipse and NetBeans both are the basically IDE. Both are almost same. But in industry, basically Eclipse is most frequently used because NetBeans is very slow. Suppose, see, I am creating one web project. Suppose I am creating web demo. Now, examination, actually, I don't know. Maybe it will be a little bit delayed. I don't exact date. Basically, I don't know. Means if people have got the date for exam. Oh, see, maybe see means in your exam in IGNOU, basically they are using the NetBeans. Okay, but NetBeans and Eclipse there is no difference. Same. Only for the suppose Eclipse has the means different environment, little bit architecture is slightly different, and also the NetBeans also slightly different. But if you know the concept in any ID, you can able to do. Suppose see in if you create a web project in that web project, basically there are two portions basically we have to concentrate. One is the web content and another is the Java resources. In NetBeans also you will get the in a different name, but two things are there. Okay, in this basically you have to create the any JSP or HTML page. Suppose we are creating the new, then we can create the suppose HTML or JSP. Suppose we are writing the JSP first. I am doing some little bit practical, then I'll again move to the theoretical portions. I'll start, but just I'm showing you some. Otherwise, if I don't do any practical, then it will not be a, suppose we are writing suppose at.jsp. Suppose these are the ID. In ID, basically what you are getting, these are the advantage you are getting, means in ID, he has written some structure written already. Okay. In that structure, basically you have to write the write as per our code. Suppose we are writing the suppose form, then we have to give the, in every form we have to give the suppose name. Then we are mentioning the suppose this is form name, we are giving the suppose F1. Then we have to mention the method. Then method is suppose we are mentioning the get. Let's see. Then we are suppose designing whole thing in a table. Then we are writing the table. Suppose in TR we are writing the TD. Then we are writing suppose ENTR enter first, then number. Then TD. Then here basically we have to write the one control, suppose input TYP type equals to text. Name the control I am giving, suppose T1. Then I am controlling this and I am controlling the TD. Then I am mentioning that I am closing this TR. So I am, and for another control also I am doing the control C. Then same thing. Then I need two buttons. Suppose this I am changing. This will be the enter. As is second number. Then this will be the T2. Here these are the two things will be the suppose button. INPUT input type equals to